first thing we need to do is monitor net metal production before we can actually talk about it. And so net metal production is a combination of three things: the feed grade, the throughput, and the recovery. What I'm showing you here is two different aspects of looking at net metal production. If you look at the aspect from geology and mining, you almost predict the net metal production based upon the geology and the mining plan, which is represented in red here. So you can see the slightly bumpy way in which we get to a new block, we get to a new area, and we can see, and for those downstream, we expect the same feed grade, we expect constants here, versus the reality, which is the variability of the feed grade is actually quite high at a lower level. Most mines, as you can see, I'm looking at this at a daily resolution. Most mines can achieve this. Understand a mine plan based upon geology. What will my net metal production be? However, if you want, which is the hardest challenge in mining, two disciplines to talk to each other, mining and the plant, we need to get down to a lower resolution. And to do that, often what happens is our stockpiling, which is the interface between mining and processing, is often where data is lost, as we only look at volume and mass. However, let's fix this feed grade to ensure it's consistent and that it's predictable at a lower resolution. To do that, we'll introduce our stockpile application. The stockpile application gives you a high resolution 3D model of your stockpile generated as real-time data comes in. You can see here the formation of stockpiles, obviously sped up in real time, but gives you an idea of the dynamic nature in which we're building these. You can also see that we can track brand new metrics that one would never think of using this methodology. For example, the age of each block here being tracked dynamically over time, blue being new, and then as you can see, taking that new material away, you could imagine splitting this in half and understanding older material and how it relates to oxidation. This is generated in real time and can be seen in Brain's app as generated. So now we have our feed grade, but however, we can zoom in now and look at this world at a higher resolution, an hourly resolution. So we understand this feed grade, it becomes predictable, and we can align better the mine and the plant.